I attribute my success to this: I never gave or took an excuse. Live life when you have it. Life is a splendid gift, there is nothing small about it. Unnecessary noise is the most cruel absence of care that can be inflicted on the sick or the well. The world is put back by the death of everyone who has to sacrifice the development of his or her peculiar gifts to conventionality. There is no part of my life upon which I can look back without pain. Rather, 10 times, die in the surf, heralding the way to a new world, than stand idly on the shore. The very first requirement in a hospital is that it should do the sick no harm. I think one's feelings waste themselves in words; they ought all to be distilled into actions which bring results. How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. Never dispute with anybody who wishes to contradict you, says a most reasonable saint. Starting a job and working hard is how to be successful. Woman has nothing but her affections, and this makes her at once more loving and less loved. I must strive to see only God in my friends, and God in my cats. Let each person tell the truth from his own experience. Patriotism is not enough, there must be no hatred or bitterness for anyone.
Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.